Welcome to the channel, guys. On this video, I want to take you through some important updates on WeCat. Trust me, this is going to be one of those amazing WeCat updates that you're so happy that you ever come across. Because of the fact that it factors in a very beautiful way by which me and you can make money through WeCat ecosystem at the end of this video. And trust me, it's mind-blowing. And if you want to get everything I'm going to share with you on this video, please do well to watch down to the very end. Trust me, WeCat and its ecosystem is a blessing to Africa and beyond. So you need to stay updated to be able to take advantage of the opportunities that comes with the ecosystem. And if you miss out, well, it's all your fault. Okay? All right, so without wasting time, I want to take you to my screen to take you through this update step by step. But before doing that, please do me a favor and click on that like button if you have not done that. And if you have been seeing our videos or you're just seeing our video for the first time and you're not a part of us, please kindly support us by clicking on that subscribe button. This is the biggest support you can actually give us. At the same time, if you're watching me from TikTok and you're not yet part of us, kindly click on that follow button to be a part of us, and also search for us on Twitter and be a part of the family. Trust me, if you're a part of us, you'll not regret doing that at all. Thanks for being a part of us in advance. And let's jump into my screen so I can do this together. All right, I want to believe you can see my screen. There's a lot of updates that I want to share with you, but let me just start from here. Now, some people dropped it and said, good morning, everyone. You can now deposit USDT and USDC on Base inside Penirenit. Update your app and enjoy fast bank transfers and bill payments. More network incoming. For those that are lovers of Base network, right? And you've been looking for the opportunity for you to enjoy your preferred network on Penirenit, it has just been added. All right. So all you need to do is for you to go to App Store or Play Store to update your app, and you are good to go. All right. So that's all you need to do. Once you do the updates, then you can have access to Base network and start using it for your transactions. So this is actually a beautiful news for every one of us because we have more network, all right, or more blockchains being added into Penirenit. Okay, so let's move on. All right, so this is another important one. Let me just add this because the rate by which a lot of us fall victim to scam is so alarming. And sometimes I get shocked because some scam that we fall victims to, right, we are not supposed to. They are too cheap for us to fall victims. But most times, I see a lot of us that are vulnerable. They fall victims to all these scams, right? So it has gotten to his notice. I now have to drop this. I think I should share with you, right? It might go a long way to actually help one or two persons. Okay, so let's take a look at this. It said, let me reiterate that we do not operate authorized support accounts for any of our products on X or on any other social media platform. All right? Any accounts claiming to be our official support team, customer service, or offering airdrops, giveaway, or investment opportunities on our behalf is fraudulent. Please take note. Always follow the right channel to do anything on WeCat platform. No matter how legit that person looks, please, it's very important. A lot of people fall victims to all kinds of scam, probably because you just come into online space. So let's continue. For support, please use the official support channel available within our apps. You can access them through the profile setting action of Penny Wallet and Penirenit. I think I will do a video on this. It's going to be a short video. Please look out for that video so you can be guided. All right, I'll do a short video and drop one of these days. Okay. Please exercise caution and interact only with our verified official channel. God bless SMC and long life the DAO. Please, let's be cautious. It's important. It will not be good that you have suffered. At the end of the day, you give it to someone else and miss out on the wealth transfer. It's not going to be funny, right? Wealth transfer is coming. Make sure that you carefully hold what you have, no matter how small it is. All right, so let's move on. So here he dropped and said, don't let anyone deceive you. God's wealth transfer plan is more than cars, iPhone, or house in Dubai. Now let me explain this a little bit. There's a difference between riches and wealth. Okay, so most of us, what we classify wealth transfer to be is just a common riches. A lot of us at the same time, we have not even gotten to that level where we classify wealth transfer as riches. We have come to that point whereby we just believe it's not going to come again. He now had to come and drop here and said, God's wealth transfer is beyond cars, beyond iPhones, beyond a house in Dubai. That simply means wealth transfer is something that should be beyond your generation, down to the next one. Not just common riches. Right? If you're thinking of just buying a car with God's wealth transfer, you're getting it wrong. You're limiting God, right? It's beyond that. So it's trying to make us understand the level by which God's plan is for us when it comes to the wealth transfer. And the question is this: are you still going to be there holding your bags till when it will come? I always say this, it's not about how much you're holding. It's about the ability for you to wait till then and still hold. Because remember, God is going to use what you are holding to bless you. Just follow me, I'm going somewhere, right? Let's move on. So here he dropped and said, once we add card feature in our next Penirenit update, KYC will be open to all countries. You have the option of Visa USD card, as well as Dollar Mastercard. This is a massive news, right? That simply means Penirenit is now going globally. Remember that Visa card is a global card. So when it's now being added to Penirenit, it simply means other people from every other part of the country can use Penirenit for their transactions via Visa card and Mastercard. This is a huge development coming into Penirenit, right? I've been thinking of how it's going to fulfill this plan of making Penirenit a global platform. So this is it. Once Visa card and Mastercard is being added to Penirenit, it simply means everyone, no matter where you are, you can actually use Penirenit for your transaction. So this is massive for people that cannot use Penirenit now, because of the fact that it is limited to only Nigeria, right? Very soon, everybody's going to be using Penirenit and enjoy the benefit of this platform, right? So this is actually a very good news. It's a very good news for Wika community, because we are not just Nigerians, all right? Wika spans everywhere in the world. This is where I'm going to, right? Make sure to watch to the very end if you really want to know how to make money using this platform, right? So let's move on. So let's check out this. He said there's absolutely nothing like local stable coin. If it is on the blockchain, it is global. Stable naira will be global. That's actually true, right? Anything that is built on blockchain can be accessed everywhere, because blockchain has no limitations, right? So if stable naira is built on blockchain, it simply means that stable naira can be used everywhere, right? So there's nothing like local stable naira. Okay, now another thing that it needs to do is adding an incentive to stable naira so that it can attract people using it, which is working on it. The most important part of this update is the part whereby me and you can make money using Penirenit. Very, very important. All right, let's move on. All right, this is where I was coming to, and trust me, this is massive. I'll take my time to break it down, all right, for you to really get what this is all about. Right? He said here, Earnings from referral, electricity and cable payments is also coming in the next updates. Right? Referral will be on stable naira. Now, let's take a look at this carefully again. Earning from referral, in our add comma, that simply means referral has different earning. Right? Once you refer someone, you are earning from the referral first. Right? You now said electricity. That simply means if the person buys electricity, right, you are also earning, not only just from the referral alone. As a person uses Penirenit to buy electricity, you are also earning, right? Cable payments. If the person does cable payments using Penirenit, you are earning as well. You now said this thing is coming on the next update. That means from the next update, we should be able to start earning from the referral that we are actually bringing to the system. This is huge. Guys, this simply means as you're bringing one person into the system, as you're bringing two people into the platform, you keep making money for life. As long as they're doing transactions. I think even common transferring money is going to be added as well. So as people are using the wallet to transfer money, receive money, buy things using the platform, you are making money. This is a huge opportunity for me and you to make money using Penirenit. Right? And don't forget, it's going to span into other products. This is actually a very huge one for me and you. Right? So I'm going to end here. Thanks so much for watching to this point. And please, if you have not liked the video, kindly do me that favor and click on that like button. If you're watching me from YouTube and you're not a part of us yet, you have been seeing our videos or you're just seeing our video for the first time, please kindly be a part of the family by clicking on that subscribe button. At the same time, if you're watching me from TikTok and you're not also a part of us, kindly follow us and also follow us on Twitter. Trust me, if you're part of us, you're not regret doing that at all. We've got you covered when it comes to cryptocurrency. Welcome to the family in advance and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.